Hi, welcome to Kingstowne, Alexandria. I'm Kristin Borostyan with eXp Realty, and this townhome could be yours. We are in the heart of Alexandria in lovely Kingstowne. If you don't know Kingstowne, you are missing out. And this lovely townhouse sits on a circular street, so only people that live here drive here. If you have children, you're gonna love it. Right down the road is a gazebo, tennis courts, and a tot lot. And let me tell you, these neighbors are super friendly. And Kingstowne has everything you could possibly need, from transportation, the metro, to shopping, dining, and movies. Everything you need is here in Kingstowne, Alexandria, and I'm gonna show you why you're gonna fall in love with this townhome. So welcome into this beautiful Kingstowne, Alexandria townhome. As you can see, there's soaring ceilings, there's lovely detail on the wall. And imagine at the holidays, you hosting Thanksgiving or all the December holidays or even a New Year's party in your new home. This home is built for today's family. It's got tons of space, over 3 levels, and you're gonna see why this Kingstowne, Alexandria home should be yours, and you can get it before the holidays. So here we are in the heart of the home, the kitchen, where you have eat-in dining and a kitchen area. But the best is out here where you can have tons of entertaining room. And lots of people think that you can't entertain in a townhome, but look how private this is. This is fantastic 3 seasons out of the year. Imagine you have a walk-in closet. When you come and tour, you're not going to believe it. But then you step into this primary bedroom. Look at the height of the ceilings. Look at the natural light coming in. And of course, you have double sinks in your ensuite. So welcome to the first floor. There is no basement in this townhouse. You walk in from the street, you can walk straight out, it is paved, and this is your family room. You can use it for whatever you want. Imagine hosting TV or movie nights, game night, or if you need a private office, it's all ready for you. Best things about this townhouse is that you have a bathroom on every single level. There's a full bath downstairs, a half bath here for your guests, and 2 full upstairs.